What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Facebook account region settings. The process is similar on your PC or mobile. For this guide, we'll proceed with the Facebook mobile version. There are two main ways to change your region settings on Facebook. First, you can change your region through the Facebook app settings. Access your Facebook settings. On your mobile device, tap on the menu button, which is either in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Settings and Privacy section. Tap to expand it and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Language and Region. Tap on it. Here, you'll see various settings related to your language and region. You can change the language for buttons, titles, and other text on Facebook. On iPhones, Facebook uses the language set on your iPhone, so you'll need to go into your iPhone settings to change it. Under Language and Region, you can also choose the preferred language for your content and interactions. Explore these options to customize your Facebook experience according to your region and language preferences. As for the second method, we will change your region through the user profile. Tap on the menu button again to go back to the main menu. Tap on your profile picture to land on your profile page. Once on your profile page, tap on the three dots beside your profile picture and choose Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Detailed section and click on Edit. Here, you can change your current town or city. For example, if you've moved from the UK to the US, you can update your region to reflect your new location. Tap on Add Current City, type in your city and then press Save. Your region on Facebook will be updated accordingly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.